Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Jacobs from Ooh La La Spa, Anti-Aging and Wellness, and this is Real Talk with Doc. So what I thought I'd do today is walk you around our clinic. So this is our front desk. This is Hannah, and she will be one of the ones that will greet you as you come in to visit us. And then there's actually two different ways you can go. So we'll start over in this area, and then we'll walk into our beauty boutique. But over here this is where we put our displays. If there's anything on special, anything on sale, we just have it up here so that everybody knows when they walk in that this is what's going on. So May is Skin Cancer Awareness Month, which I cannot believe May is almost over. But we tried, and Stephanie did an amazing job of getting information about skin cancer up on all of our social media every single day. You have to keep in mind, even on a day like this where it's rainy, you have to keep in mind that you have to wear sunscreen every single day. Does not matter if it's rainy, cloudy, sunny, whatever, you have to wear sunscreen every day. So we choose our Colorescience sunscreen because it is all physical, meaning there are no chemicals in it, so it's actually healthy for your skin. Right now I have on Even Up, which I wear it every single day as my makeup, my primer, my base makeup, and then I put on a little bit of the balm, and I think it's the bronze one, which I love, and I just put a little on my cheeks. So that one has an SPF 30 in it, and so when you are putting your products on and you're using our Colorescience, you're going to layer on your protection. So as I said, every day it should be Skin Cancer Awareness, but right now because of May, we have a lot of specials going on with your sunscreens and of course all of our products. So that's our sunscreen display. The other special that we have right now is our Latisse, and I found this sign and I just think it's so cute and love it. And Latisse helps to grow your lashes thicker, longer, and darker. And I actually swear by it. I have it sitting by on my nightstand, so every night before I go to bed, I put it on. And we have $30 rebates for a little bit longer. I think we have like 5 left. So if anybody wants Latisse, that's a great product. So anyway, this is where we greet you, and let's run through this real quick. So we are very proud of this whole entire clinic and all of our team. Our team is just undeniably the best, in my opinion. I'm the primary injector, but both my nurses, Taylor and Jill, inject as well. And they've had over 250-hour one-on-one time with me training. So I feel very confident that they know what they're doing. And I still see all the patients, but they can see them after the fact, the next time they come in. So we've done over 400,000 units of Botox, which I think that's quite a bit of Botox. We just added it all up recently. And then we've done over 5,500 syringes of filler. So I love injectables. It's truly, it's my passion, and it just makes me so happy. And I am also a certified trainer with Allergan, so I am blessed that I get to go across the country and train others how to inject. It's one of my favorite things that I get to do because as much as I love being in the office, I also love to get outside the office and educate and teach others how to do it. So it's really fun, and like I said, I'm very blessed and honored that I was chosen to be one of the trainers. SkinMedica is what we use for our skincare. It's a medical grade skincare, and we've been the top medical spa in the country for, many years. Because we believe in the product so much, and our patients really see true change with the product. So when I'm saying change, your brown spots get better, your fine lines and wrinkles improve, the redness improves, skin gets tighter, so you have hydrated skin. Our HA5 helps to hydrate the skin. So what medical grade means is that there are multiple studies to back up our products. So when Lytera 2.0 launched, I guess probably been 2 or 3 years ago now, there were 9 clinical studies prior to even the launch. While we're still in this area, you guys, if you saw me talk last week, our TNS Plus is launching, and I should know this, but I don't know how many clinical studies we've done on this one prior to launch, but this is an outstanding product. I've been using it for a week now. I truly can already see a difference in my skin. Next week on the show, we'll do another Visia analysis so you can see the difference in my skin, and hopefully my skin age has improved. I feel like it has improved, and again, it's only been 1 week. So this is an exciting new product that's coming out. And again, I don't know how many clinical studies, but I know there's a lot. And I want to say there are over 100 clinical studies, and probably even more than that for all of our products. And that's why I love it, because you really are going to get results. So then I moved down to cool sculpting. We've done over 2,600 cool sculpting treatments. We've had the machine, 8 years. I can't even believe that. 8 years, it's insanity. And so we love cool sculpting because it truly does work. And what that does is that if you can squeeze it, we can freeze it. So it's going to get rid of any problem areas. You can do your upper abdomen, your lower abdomen, your flanks. You can do inner thighs, outer thighs. You can do bra fat, your double chin if you have it. You can, or submental fullness to be politically correct. You can use it there, and we see amazing results with that. So very proud of our cool sculpting experience. 4 of us are master certified cool sculpting injectors. I don't know what they call us, but we are we are very well trained in this. So we've all been to Cool Sculpting University, which was fun because you spend 2 days just really diving into the science behind it and learning all the greatest techniques. Color Science, I became a scientific advisor for them. I bet it's been 5 or 6 years ago for that. It was way back in the day before they even had these treatment products that they have. And I mentioned Even Up earlier, and they were just launching Even Up, and Even Up's a 3-in-1. So it helps to treat brown spots, it helps to cover brown spots, and then it gives you that SPF 50. So you have a beautiful palette because it's just even, your skin's evened out, but it's doing more than just giving you beautiful skin. It's treating your skin so you have healthy skin. And then this has been up here a while. So Dr. Wise is our weight loss expert, and I don't even know how many years it's been, but I can tell you it's over that because today is our 19th wedding anniversary. So happy anniversary. And we were just laughing about this morning, like, how in the world has 19 years gone by? Our oldest will be 18 in July, so I'm hoping my skin age keeps going down with my TNSA+, even as our other age keeps going up. So anyway, these are some of our credentials, and I think it's very important to know that when you walk in this door, every single person is extremely qualified and very trained. And the biggest, most important thing is that we're very passionate about what we do, and we love providing results and giving you those results that you deserve. So that's a little bit about us. Let's move on. Set this here. We're going to move on to what we call our beauty boutique. And our beauty boutique is just like it sounds. It's where you can purchase any of our products. You can try any of our products. I think that's really important. You can come in and feel it on your skin. You can even put the Color Science on your face. I think that before you buy something, you should try it and you should make sure you love it. Now, I'm telling you, you're going to love it. There's no doubt in my mind. But when you're investing in your skin and investing in these products, you want to make sure that you are, 1, understand how to use it, and 2, using them correctly, and 3, loving the product. So we talked about this last week a little bit. These are some of the products that we are moving through right now because of the Skin Cancer Awareness Month. And again, we're trying to just make you understand that you need to have sunscreen every day. So these products will help you, you just use them as your makeup. So then we move into, we talked about Latisse. Ideal Protein is something, I missed the detox out there, but Ideal Protein is something that is for weight loss, and they just, I don't see them out here, but they just came out with these really good new little treats, and I love them. So I did Ideal Protein, it's probably been 2 years ago, and I don't really stick with anything, and Ideal Protein was super easy. and you follow the plan that obviously we give you, but you have your treats already and your food already here, and it's medical grade, so it's not all the preservatives and all of the yucky stuff that you get in some of the products over the counter. But this is a great weight loss program, and again, very easy to do. And if you stick to it, I mean, we've had people lose 30, 40 pounds. I don't even know what the most people have lost, but I want to even say 50 or 60. So a great program, and this is what Dr. Wise runs. And then we also do, here's some of the detox. We did our detox right before all of this started, before the shutdown, but the detox we did, I think we ended up doing 26 days, and it's just great. It's a liver detox, so it's just great to get all of the gross stuff out of your system. And then we've used Metagenics for a long time, and we use them as protein shakes, and so they're high quality protein shakes, and we use it pre-workout, post-workout, and then one of my favorite products, if it's not, these are little e-shots. And before I work out, I use these, and it's just a natural energy boost, and I love the taste of them, so I like those. And then the other thing that I use in my shakes are our Metagenics greens, and these are your vegetables. So if you're not getting quite all of your vegetables, just throw this in your protein shake. That and my microcollagen, which go back to here, our supplements. So if you haven't figured out, everything that we do is extremely medical, has a lot of science behind it. If you're going to spend money, we want you to get results. So everything that we choose based on what kind of scientific results we will have and you will have. So our supplements are outstanding as well, and look, we're missing some. We need to restock. But we have our multivitamin that it's called our Power Multi, and that's something that everybody should be on. The D3K2 is, if you have low vitamin D, this is an excellent option. The K is what helps the vitamin D absorb into the body. So you want to have the right kind of supplements, and then you want to have everything that you can have to make sure it's being absorbed. So if you've noticed any time that you've taken B vitamins and your urine is yellow, that's because most of the B is just going right out of your system. So you want to make sure you're getting quality supplements. Our two supplements that we have for anti-aging are microcollagen and our Skin Bright. So this is glutathione, and this is what's going to help with our skin and help it brighten up. So everybody really, if you're trying to get better looking skin, everybody should be on both of these products. The microcollagen, I think collagen's a buzzword that's out there now, but a lot of the over-the-counter products, the molecules are too big to be absorbed into the body. So we called it micro, so you know that they're small enough to be absorbed, and you're actually getting the right amount of supplement in. So very important. The other thing, especially right now, this time of the year, and then as fall rolls around, which I know I don't even want to talk about that yet, but we have Sinotrol. So if you have a lot of allergies, Sinotrol is an excellent one to take because it will help with the allergies. And it's all natural, so you're not taking the prescription stuff. And then Virusid, if you feel like you're getting, say, a sore throat or you're getting congestion, Virusid is an excellent product to help knock that virus out of your system. I swear by these two, especially during allergy season. So a lot of other fun things. Our D-Hist is another one that's great for allergies, and we use that. We have all of this at home. So then we talked about Colorescience, and this is one of our areas that you can put your Colorescience product on. So our Sunforgettable brush is, I think, the best product ever invented, along with everything else. But it's a powder sunscreen, so it's nice and easy to apply, and that's great for reapplication. Okay, so let's move on. We just have a little, a couple other specials going on. And then if you haven't heard of Save the Girl purses, these are great. I actually brought these in back in, Christmas time. And what they are is you put your cell phone in here, and then you can actually touch on the plastic. So this is actually a great product to have right now because you can easily clean this with your wipes, and you don't have to worry about cleaning your phone and cleaning everything else. But they all have little straps on them, and they're so cute. I have almost one of each, so very cute. Oh, and this is one of our, so it was 47 and a half pounds. This is one of our weight loss patients. And then here's another one. So I'm going to take you around now to our before and after room. So before you get into that, if you can scan these guys, these are actual patients, and these have been up a couple of years probably now because you can see my babies are little, but they're actual patients, and these are untouched photos. So that's what I love about them is that they were so nice to come in and take these photos, and they've done several things. I mean, we've got Botox, we've got some filler, we have all sorts of different things. So come on in here. This is our photo room. And last week we took photos, so you can certainly pull that video and watch the photos. But it's really important to document all the changes that you are having. You forget what you look like. I can't tell you how many times I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't see any change at all. And then when you look at the before and after photos, you actually do see quite a bit of change. So we take a lot, we call them Canon photos, so just regular photos there. And then on the other side here we have our Visia, and that's the one where it shows the underneath the surface of the skin. So it shows your brown spots, your sun damage, it shows the redness. It can go into how much bacteria is on your skin. Talks about the fine lines and wrinkles, and that's what I was talking about with my skin age. And I can almost guarantee that my skin age is going to be improved. What I also like about this room are all the before and after photos. So we have, you know, our skin resurfacing laser pearl. We have some Botox, our laser vein. I think this one's quite impressive. We have cool sculpting, weight loss, more Botox, more cool sculpting. Ultherapy is one of my favorite treatments because you are fixing the skin underneath and stimulating collagen. I'm going to move this for a second, and you can see my brow lift here. So you can see the difference. Hopefully you can see that on there. But you can see the difference in my brow, and that's 10 months between the Ultherapy. And I'm sure I would have seen results sooner. It's just that I probably didn't get around to taking the photos. And then we have some lip filler, which I love the lip filler, especially, I don't know if that helped or not, but you can see the difference in the lip lines. Well, you know, we'll look at one of the other ones because it's better. And then we have some Voluma. And then I don't know if you can see this very well. Do you see it on there a little bit? Okay. Well, and we'll try it in the other room too because it's a little bit better lit, but you can see my progression with my TNS Essential Serum. And we're working on getting the 2000, either 19 or 20, just kind of depends on which one's out there. But I was almost like, when I saw the 2020 photo, I was almost a little disappointed because I'm like, oh, I look the same as 2015. And then I realized there's 5 years difference. So I should be thrilled that I look the same as 2015. But really, actually, I think I look better now than I did in 2010. And Nicole's shaking her head yes. So, but I feel like there's just so much change. And truly, in Botox, I do filler every once in a while. It's been 3 years. But I do all the collagen stimulation and do the products. That's really what I focus on when I'm doing my treatments. So what we've done since we've been out is we've actually done a little bit of rearranging. So this is our treatment hallway. Normally that door is closed and it's silent back here usually. And so this is one of my most exciting things that we've done since we've been out is we changed one of our treatment rooms into another little mini beauty boutique really. It's our checkout room. So there's private checkout in here, which I think is extremely important because you don't want to be up at the front desk going, oh yeah, how much Botox did you have or how many fillers did you have? So it's nice and private. We can close the door. Nobody knows what's going on or if you're even here. And as you can see, our building is nice and big, so most of the time nobody will know that you're even here anyway. So I think this room turned out great. I absolutely love it. We have some product in here. Plus we have another desk here for the color science. So we can put that on in privacy too. Most people don't care about being out there, but sometimes just want a little privacy. So then we just have, these are all exam rooms. So we're changing, this room was our checkout room, and now we're going to make this into our filler room. And then another room, and it's funny because people are really used to walking certain directions, and so when we're guiding them other places, they're like, where are we going? But this is going to be our nice consultation room. So another area of even more privacy, and we just have some of the brochures and some product to try, and you can just sit down with your provider and come up with your treatment plan. And that's really what we're big about. We want to make sure that you have a plan. We want to make sure that you don't just come in and we're like, oh, you want some Botox? Okay, here's your Botox, head on out the door. We want to tell you, these are the products that you need. This is what you need Botox-wise. If you wanted filler, here's some ideas for that. Here's your collagen stimulation. So I'll show you one of my, actually we'll go back in that room, but we'll go back in this room and I'll show you what my philosophy is. So I always say we spell skin differently. So S-C-I-N, can you see it? So we start with skincare, and that's why I talked about how important our SkinMedica skincare is, because it is part of your treatment plan. It's your treatment at home. You're investing in yourself. You're investing in your skin. Your treatments, when you come in here, your treatments are going to be even better because your skin is getting healthier. It's really important to have your treatment at home. It's great to come in here and get your treatments too, but they go hand in hand. So 70% of your change of your more in-depth treatments, you only get about 70% change, whereas that 30% is from your skincare. So then it gives us that 100%. So really important to do that. Then I say we need collagen stimulation because collagen, as we age, we start losing our collagen stimulation, which creates the sagging skin. So we do ultherapy, we do thermi, we do secret RF, laser genesis, even like chemical peels. Microneedling is a great one, but chemical peels will do a little bit of collagen stimulation. But we do them, and the deeper you go, like oral therapy, the more collagen stimulation you're going to have. And again, you might, you do want to stimulate all the different layers so that you're getting an overall better picture. And then, of course, we have our injectables. And I do love these lips. I think these are better lips to see because look at the upper lip lines. Can you see it? A little dark. Okay. So the upper lip lines, but just by giving her some structure and a little bit of volume, her lips look amazing and those lip lines pretty much disappear. So if I cover this up, it doesn't look like she had any lips done, which is really what we want. We don't want anybody walking out of here going, oh my gosh, what happened? And then of course our nutrition, which I talked about, which comes along with the microcollagen and the Skin Bright, your Power Multi, and then if you need a little bit of extra boost, your Ideal Protein and maybe a detox or something like that. And then I've actually changed it to now Skin Plus Body because we do so many body treatments. Our Cool Sculpting, our Thermiva for vaginal rejuvenation. Secret RF can be used on crepey skin on your arms or on your legs. So Skin Plus Body is what we believe in. And when you do something in all of those categories, you're going to have the most amazing results, which obviously is what we all want. So let's see if you can see this a little bit better. Again, you might not be able to, but all of this is up on our Facebook page. Can you see it okay? A little bit, okay. Okay, so we'll just walk down the road, and I've mentioned a lot of treatments that we do, and we do a lot, and that allows for us to give you that treatment plan that fits your budget the best. Because the old therapy is going to be more expensive because it's going deeper and it's going to do more for you. Maybe you don't want to go that far right now. Maybe you just want to do a little bit of thermi around your mouth or around your eyes. And that's where our expertise can help you and determine which treatments, which products, and which plan is best for you. And then what we do is we can give you a monthly payment, and it makes it so much easier to